How to install, set up, and use UniFi Dream Router. First, connect the Dream Router. Connect the power adapter, connect your modem or ONT to the WAN port, and wait for the LED to turn solid white. Step 2. Open the UniFi Network app. Then sign in with your UI account. Tap Setup when your Dream Router appears. Step 3. Update the firmware. Install any available firmware updates. Wait for the router to reboot automatically. Step 4. Configure your internet connection. Choose your ISP connection type, DHCP, triple PoE, static IP, and enter ISP credentials if required. Step 5. Create your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi name, SSID, create a strong password, and save your settings. Step 6. Finish setup and test the connection. Connect your phone or computer to the new Wi-Fi. Verify internet access. Open the UniFi dashboard and confirm everything is online. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.